two quantities, x and y, are in a relationship in which y varies directly with x. The graph of this function contains the point -16, 28. Which of the following represents this relationship? And I've got 4 equations, all in slope-intercept form. I just need to figure out which one matches this data. Okay, here it did say that y varies directly with x. And what that means is as x goes up, y goes up proportionally, or y is equal to some number, some constant, times x. And we have 4 choices: 4/7, -7/4, -4/7, and 7/4. We just have to figure out which is the right one. So I'm going to just plug in x and y on each equation and see if it works. So for the first one, y is 28. Is that equal to 4/7 times -16? And right away I know that it is not, because on the right hand side we get a negative number, and on the left hand side we get a positive, and a negative is not the same as a positive. So F is not the answer. And the same will be true down here for J, because a positive times a negative gives me a negative, and we get positive. So those two are out. Now it's between these two. So we'll look at the next one here. Y, which is 28, is it equal to -7/4 times x, which is -16? Let's just bring in the calculator. -7/4 times -16. So -7/4 times -16. We get positive 28, and it works. Let's check this last one just in case. 28, is it equal to -4/7 times -16? -4/7 times -16. Ooh, and we do not get 28, so I know my answer is G. Just on a side note, if it said y varies inversely with x, we would have y equals a constant divided by x. Varies directly is the constant times x, and inversely is the constant divided by x. I think you'll find that in some of the science problems.